Hello everyone, take your hair. First, divide it into the lower section, tie it in the form of ponytail. Then divide it in the upper two sections and tie it in the form of plait just like this. Keep tying it in the form of plaits. The plaited section should look very classy because it will only serve as the icing on the cake. When you are done tying the plaits, attach all the plaited parts together with the ponytail. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail from below. Now divide it into two sections. The first section are made plaits out of it. The second sections are made plaits along with few strands of hair from the sides as well. You can decorate it with your favorite small clutcher so that it becomes very easy for you to take it out. When you are done making the plaits, attach all of them together, form plaits again, and then you are done. Divide your hair in a slanted position from the middle into two parts and let the leftover part get loose. In a way, this will serve as three partition section of the hair. Now take the hair and try making plaits out of them just as shown. Then when the plaited sections are done, take hair from another two sections and try making it in the form of plaits again and again from middle sections as well, just like this. When you are done making the plates, attach both of them together and you are done. Take your hair. First divide it into two parts from above, form plates. Then divide it into another two parts and including that plate form another ponytail. Now take the ponytail downwards and let the leftover hair get loose. The plaited section is then rolled upwards and then secured properly with the help of a rubber band. Take your hair, tie it in the form of plaits just like shown in the video. When you are forming the plaits, make sure that you take sections of hair from the sides as well so that all the hair is included in the partition. Now keep taking hair from sides, lower, upper part as well and try making it in the form of plaits. When you are done making the plaits, again attach it with another sections of hair and try making plaits all over again. Then when you are done, take your hair. First make a ponytail out of it. Then tie that ponytail in the form of another ponytail. Then insert it through the gap. Now roll it upwards and then give it a ribbony look. You are done. Then take that ponytail and try forming plaits out of them. The plate should be very consistent and resilient so that no hair is damaged or left unseen. Thank you for watching.